there are gonna be a lot of bloopers today. ऐसे ही होता है जब 1 महीने बाद फिल्म करेगी, ठीक है? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another haul, and this time the haul is by Club Factory, and I bought a lot of items, right from bags, jewelry, clothes, makeup brushes, etc, etc, and I thought I should be sharing them with you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first item I would like to show you guys is this backpack, which is pink, just pastel pink. I hope you can see. And there's no embroidery, nothing, it's just plain basic pink, and I really like this bag because it's very big and I can easily fit my laptop into this. Yes, I don't look like Shania when I go to college from Student of the Year. I actually look like one of those very nerdy people, but I am not. And the main reason why I want to carry big bags is because I carry dabba, water bottle, because my mom will kill me otherwise, and laptop, and my laptop is very big. So engineering students, we have to carry a laptop every day, so that's why I bought a big bag. But also I have bought another bag which is sort of fancy, so we'll be talking about that in a second, but I want to give you a close-up of this bag. And inside, if you go to see, there is a compartment, then there is a pouch outside, and does this look like this? So yeah, that's how the bag looks. Next bag I bought is this bag, a handbag, and it doesn't have a zip, it has like this button. These bags, like, they come in so many colors, and I wanted to like, you know, get my hands on this. And then I got a pouch with this, and they had a lot of colors, but I chose this color because it's dark, and I know that I am very bad when I have to use handbags. I keep it anywhere. You cannot actually put a lot of heavy saman into this because the straps are quite flimsy, if you can see, so don't do that. And the first time it came, it was stinking so bad. I mean, I was not able to use it, but then my mom told me that you have to like take it out so that the leather smell will go away, so that's a heads up. But I am happy with this bag as well. Okay, so the next category which I bought things from is clothes, and I bought a night suit which looks something like this. These are the shorts with white piping, and this is not actually the strand which you tie, just for the show. And you have the elastic, and the material is not cotton. I would mention the material down below. It's sort of transparent, if you can see. Like, I don't know, can you see my hand through this? Yeah, you probably can. So the material is quite transparent. I have not worn it yet, but I washed it once because this one was also stinking a bit, so I told my mother to wash it, and then I will wear it. So tonight I'm gonna wear it. So yeah, let's see how it feels. And you get a t-shirt like this, and I'll be mentioning all the prices and the sizes in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And this is how the t-shirt looks, pretty basic. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So let's move on to the next category of accessories. I bought these pretty pink glasses. I really like these. Let's see how I look. I look nice, right? Yeah, I know. Thank you. I wanted to get my hands on these since a very long time, and they have a bunch of colors in this, so you can just select whichever color you want. As I mentioned earlier, I like pink, so I bought this one. They have not given me any case, but I have a lot of cases, so I can just put this into that. They just gave me this Ziploc bag. So yeah, I bought these brushes again in the color pink. There are 12 brushes. Okay, so there are 12 brushes, and I've said this for the third time, I think. Anyway, so these are the brushes, pretty pink brushes, pretty pink handles, and they feel really soft, guys. I use just 2 brushes to do this horrible eye makeup which is going on right now, which were these 2, and one more shader brush I used. I don't know where it is right now. I used these 2 and one more brush, and they are really soft, guys. I don't know, I cannot comment on the brushes yet because I don't own a really good professional eye makeup palette yet. Neither am I a professional makeup artist, so I can't comment on that if it actually gives the proper color payoff or no. But they really feel soft, and there is no shedding till now. I have not washed them yet, So I will wash them and update you guys in the description after some days maybe, so you can just come back to the video and see the review of these brushes. All in all, I am really happy, and for the price it's offered at, I am really happy with so many brushes. They look really pretty also, so yeah. Then the next accessory I bought is this baseball hat or cap, whatever you want to call it, which has lit written on it. I will not wear it right now otherwise, because I will look very funny because I have this bun going on, so it will not fit. But I really like this cap, so yeah. And they have a lot of colors in this. Again, they have white, pink, grey also, if I'm not wrong. So if you want to buy yourself a good cap or hat, you can just check this out. The next accessory item is this dainty necklace I bought, and these hoop earrings. I have bought a lot of accessories, guys. They are so cheap and such a good quality. So I think if you really want to buy, like, the first thing you should buy from Club Factory should be accessories, and then you can just move on to clothes and everything. I was having silver hoops, if I'm not wrong, but I lost them. So I was like, if I'm buying this one, I can just pair this with golden hoops only. So I bought golden hoops. So this is how they look. Okay, so the next item is again a neck piece, which looks like, wait a second, it is just entangled. It's again a choker, and it is double layered, as you can see. And the small layer is like small circles or coins, and then you have the pearls. When I saw this on the model, it was very tiny, but when I've got this right now, I think it's too chunky, so I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. I'm not worn it yet on anything. The best part is whatever jewelry I've bought, they are not getting any rust on them or a dark coating on them. So yeah, I am sort of liking that part. Then I bought a bunch of rings. I'll give you a close-up of all the rings. The only problem with these is that they don't fit me, yaar. I mean, I don't know. Only one ring can fit me, which I'm wearing on in my hand, which is this one. It's a pretty basic ring. Okay, so after I've shared all the items with you guys, now let's talk about my experience with them. To be very honest, it's worth a try, and you should definitely check their app out or the website, wherever you want to buy it from. I will mention all the details of their website and Instagram handle and everything in my description below, so you can go follow them or check them out. To be very honest, I am like happier with the jewelry more than anything else, and the accessory part, basically like the glares I bought and the brushes, the jewelry I bought. It's really good at the price they are offering at. And if I want to talk about the delivery time, I ordered this on 20th of March, if I'm not wrong, and it got delivered right now. Like half the parcel was delivered before, and half the parcel was like delivered to me today. So I thought, I was like, let's film it immediately, because I was waiting for the remaining items to arrive, and then I wanted to film a haul together. So delivery time is a lot, and I think that is the case with most of the foreign websites, so you actually cannot help it. All in all, I really liked whatever I've bought. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do, and I would love to do them for you guys. Subscribe if you have not already. We are almost at 2K, so let's hit 2K very soon. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. So today's video is gonna be a Shein. Why do I keep saying Shein haul? Oh my god, something is wrong with me. I do a lot of hand things, no? So today's video, what is this? ये कहाँ से सीख के आई है? Channel. So today's video. What else have I bought? Comment on what other video. Comment on what other. I cannot speak.